Hi guys! In today's video, we will be making keychains such as this. So what you need for this is a paper, cardboard, a pencil, an outlining pen, optional as always. Markers are also optional this time, scissors and tape, and also string. So take your paper and draw out a image, whatever you want. But if you have a small piece of cardboard, first of all, measure out how much space you would have to make your drawing. So now that I'm done drawing my melody, I will outline it. Now take your markers and color it in. Next, take your tape and place the tape all around your image. Now cut your drawing out. Do not go along the lines. You can just cut it out in a circle shape or an oval shape because that's normally how keychains look. So take your cardboard and trace out how big your paper is, or trace along it. Next, to make the hole in your keychain, take a pen and stab it through it, and also put the paper there so you know you have a marking of where it is. So as you can see, I made a mark there. I'm going to put the pen through. Now, figure out where your pen is going, where your string is going to go through. So as you can see, my string can go through, or I'm using my pen. And take your paper and tape it up to the cardboard. Cut off the excess tape. Now take your string, and the easiest way is to poke it through a pen and put the pen through the hole so that it's easier to get the string in. So as you can see, that's what I did, and I'm done. Next, just tie your string